Are you a realtor mom or in the real estate industry thinking about having a family? Then here's another perspective for you about juggling family life and work life. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, Realtor with eXp Realty. I'm based in Toronto, Ontario. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell for new content. On our channel, we talk about everything real estate, from buying, selling, and investing in real estate, to even creating content for real estate agents to help build their wealth as well. And this video is so timely because I don't know if you can hear my children in the back of my videos, but this is usually how everything goes, is trying to find time to fit into your schedule so that you can take care of your family, but also help build your business. In this video, I really want to share with you some resources that we're using here locally in Toronto as well as Ontario so that you can use to help you with your business as well. And before I get into some of the resources, I really want to take a moment to talk about the reasons why we even got into the place of even thinking about the type of help that we thought we needed. And for a lot of parents that are watching this, I know you understand, especially the struggle of having to build your business and to care for your business and to build a really successful business, but at the same time, this trajectory, this contradictory between spending time with your family, raising young children, and this immense sense of guilt that come over you, and the struggle that not only does it come over you as a person, but as a couple, as a family, as a relationship you struggle with. And I wanted to give you some new perspective and some resources that Josh and I looked into that really helped us. One of the most important things that I realized that really helped me is that I'll talk about this in a lot of my videos in the future too, is this idea of radical acceptance, understanding that this is the reality that I'm in and how am I going to navigate this best for me and my family. And one of the reasons why I'm sharing this information and putting out this video is that I realize how many people, and women in particular, are struggling with this. One big aspect to this whole video is that I want you to take out of is how you fit into everything, and self-love and self-care, and to put you a priority on top of everything is so important. And how you fit into your family is because that is not only good for you, but for your family and the health of your business as well. And it took me a really long time to understand that I needed to take care of myself, and that if I'm not there for my babies and my family, then I wasn't doing the right things right now anyway. And I will tell you that there's a lot of challenging times, but the most beautiful things are in a lot of the small little wins that you have as a family. And if you're a mom that is being met with a lot of challenges, whether it's with your partner or with your children, or struggling to navigate this life between your entrepreneurship and starting a new business and having family and being a new mom, I want you to accept this challenge. I want you to accept that this is normal, and that I want you to accept that this is okay, and that to recognize the issue, recognize that you're going to find a solution, and that you're not alone in this. And like I mentioned, in order for you to find solutions to any problem, you need to become aware of the issue and the root cause of the issue. Here's some resources that are really helping me with overcoming these challenges. There's a ton of Facebook groups for communities for moms in your local area, so make sure you're plugged into the community that are in your local area. There's local community centers in your areas that provide drop-in programs, so make sure you leverage those as well. First, the most important thing is to look at things that are affordable and that are free, that you can leverage first before starting to pay into services. And remember, if you're in Ontario with your OHIP card, with your health card, that you have access to therapists and therapy and even programs within different community centers that you can access as well. And to be super transparent, if you're like me who was struggling with my own thoughts and anxiety, make sure you reach out and join local groups to talk about cognitive behavioral therapy. There's a ton of program that's out there within your local market that is to help you with this sort of thing. And it's super okay for you to reach out because you'll realize there's a ton of mom who are ready to talk about this kind of stuff. And if you're struggling with more resources and support and an extra pair of hands, make sure you can join local groups like nanny groups as well as home helpers that you can find in your local area to help you as well on a part-time or full-time basis. And trust me, when you're hiring a nanny for the first time and having a stranger walk into your house to take care of your children, trust me, it was a very daunting experience for us, but it was something that was enlightening, and it was something that I learned to accept, and it's been super rewarding. So if you have any questions around that, feel free to get in touch with us as well. And if you're someone who doesn't need a pair of hands on a consistent basis but may need it for openings or showings or on a weekend or on an occasional basis, you can Google nannies on call or certain nanny program that you can call up where you can find someone to help you in moments time. And remember, one big aspect of of being an entrepreneur is to identify and to invest into your business, which is why it's so important that I joined a brokerage like EXP, joined our group so that I had access to a lot of resources, giving me back more time so that I can put more time into my family and other income producing activities. And EXP Realty is a cloud-based virtual brokerage, so I can work from the comfort of my home and be close to my children. And especially as a new mom, it was really hard for me to have a stranger or a nanny come into my house and for me to leave and go to a brokerage. So it was really important that I was part of a brokerage, that I was able to work from the comfort of my home. And one of the things that I do wanted to mention is when you're trying to find a lot of community groups and other mom groups that you want to be part of and to connect with other moms in your local area, remember to be around people that are doing very similar work as you, because I realized that I was around other moms that were working like me, and sometimes I felt like when I was bringing up conversation, it was so hard for them to relate to me. And that kind of community is so amazing, but it also did a lot to my mental health because I couldn't be open and be transparent about some of the challenges that I was going through. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for more content that I'm going to be putting up in partnership with other women in real estate as well. I'm a big believer in creating a schedule and time blocking, and I totally understand this challenge that it comes with when you have a family, because there's a lot of unforeseen circumstances that pop out of nowhere that you have to deal with, even when there's non-negotiable time that you've prayed out for to create and put time into income producing activities. But I realize that when you have a family, it doesn't quite work like that, which is why I'm a big believer in creating programs and resources to give back to our real estate agents so that they have more time. And you realize even with the EXP Realty, Agent Wolfpack and myself, there's a massive common theme is that we like to give more time back to our agents so that they can spend more time doing things that they love. And as a real estate agent, you realize that one big challenge that you have is to upkeep with your personal brand and your presence on social media. There were agents in our group that were spending upwards of 2 to 4 hours figuring out what to post on social media, which is why one of my business partner and I created this product that we give it to our agents for free. Access is a social media calendar equipped with daily posts that is pre-written for you, pre-designed for you, with strategies that to help you build your presence online without having to worry about what to post. We even include hashtags, so everything's pre-written. All you have to do is schedule, copy, paste, and done, which is why a lot of the resource that we provide to our agent is to help with the work-life balance. If you're looking to join EXP Realty and are looking to partner with someone who's going to help you navigate the way that you do your business as a new parent, check out the link in my description for my calendar. If you're a new parent or a new mom who just got into the industry or even are in the industry and thinking about having your own family and have any questions about how to navigate all of this, please feel free to get in touch with me. I'll be happy to have a conversation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to our channel for new content like this. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm real estate agent with EXP Realty, and I'm based in Toronto. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.